Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to apply the pivot table. The pivot table in Excel. So this one is the sheet of the data sheet of an organization. So I'm going to the insert, then see here pivot table, and click here, then see. I want to show another things. Actually, I am taking this cursor is here, then I am going here, pivot table, then what happened? There is no selection, and the table range is not selecting, so cancel it. Now I am taking this cursor is any cell of this table, then I am going to click on this pivot table. Now see, this total table is selected. Now here watching this one, this is the total table or range, and here see that shows where you want to pivot table to be placed. New worksheet, if you want to new worksheet or exist worksheet, in this worksheet you want to apply this pivot tables, then I am click here, and location I want to location this one, see this one, then okay. Here, see the all columns, serial number, members number, fees per month, total months, paid amount, and total dues. So, first of all, I am taking two uh, things, paid amount and total dues. So, what happens? See, then cost here, then see here. The total sum of total paid amount is 69,000 and total dues is 39,000. See it's okay or not. Selecting up to this, then click auto sum. See 69,000 and selecting total dues up to this, then click auto sum. See 39,000. So this one is okay now. Control Z, Control Z. Now double click of this here. You see sum, count, average, max, mean, product, counts, numbers, and student development, this ones. Now I'm clicking this count. Then what happened? 18. Total numbers are 18. The 1, 2, 3. If you count it, then you will get in the 18 totals. Then again, and see here, double click here, the count 18 also. The total number of members are 18. So double click here again, and average. See average is 30. 3,833.33. So the average of this dues 2,166. So double click here, and max number is 6,000. And where is this one? And here also average or max. Here the maximum dues is 4,500. So maximum dues is here. Find out this one, 4,500. So again double click here. Now see minimum. The minimum paid amount is 1,500. This one 1,500, and the minimum dues is 0. This one. So I think got it how to find it the all values by uh, pivot tables. Another things I want to show. So selecting this one and delete from the keyboards. Then again click here, going to the insert and pivot table. And I want to create this one exist worksheet and click here. Then okay. Now I want to take the members number, total months, no paid months, paid amount, and the total dues. Then you see this one is the row and their members name and value columns. The values also this one. Then I'm going here. See the row tables is the members, sum of paid months, sum of paid amount, sum of total dues. Then proceed. Now see this one is arranged by the alphabet. See, Abdullah is A. That's why it's arranged by the alphabets. So here you see the first one is the server Alam Faisal, but Abdullah is the 8 number. But here watching Abdullah is the number 1 because it's arranged by the alphabetic. Okay, see. Then paid amount of Abdullah is 5. See, Abdullah paid amount is 5. Okay, and another Nurul Karim, see paid amount is 8. So here Nurul Karim paid amount is 8. Okay, then uh, sum of total paid amount 60,000 you have seen already, and the I'm going here count. Okay, 1. So double click here. Max. Who is the max? Max 12. Grand total is here. And mean 3 months. And the minimum paid months is 3. Double click here. Average. Average is 7.66. Now you are watching here also the first one is the total and the sum. Okay, done. Then double click here. See the average. Already I have shown 3,800 something. Double click here. Count 18. See. Double click again. The mean. Mean is 1500. Now see here. The max is 4,500. So in 2 ways I have shown application of a pivot table. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The redesign engineering is always with you.